today we are going to do our English work and we will do work on book page number 30. Jolly Phonics book page number 30. Prepare your page, write down class work and the date 18 January 2021 and the date Monday at the top of the page. Book page number 30. And the topic is the fox. Our today's topic is the fox. This is our today's topic. I am giving you some time to prepare the page. If you have prepared the page, then raise your hands. Jolly Phonics, book page number 30, the fox. Okay, now you will look at the picture at your book. Look at the picture for 3 to 4 minutes. Then I will ask from you whatever you are observing. जो कुछ आप देखोगे तो आप मुझे बताएंगे कि आपको क्या नजर आ रहा है. Then we will make word bank. Just look at the picture. I will ask from you कि आप लोग क्या देख रहे हो picture में. Just look at the picture.
मुझे पता है.
नासिर, आप मुझे बताओ क्या नजर आ रहा है आपको पिक्चर में?
Fox.
Vihana, I am asking from you.
Fox.
Yes, fox. अभी आप लोग लिखोगे नहीं, just look at the picture. जो हम word bank बनाते हैं वो आप लिखते नहीं हो, ठीक है? वो आप मुझे बनवा रहे हो, so I am just going to write at the board. लेकिन अभी आप start नहीं करोगे. वहाँ आपकी पिक्चर बनी हुई है, मैं वहाँ पे words लिख रही हूँ, but you are not going to write anything. Fox, F-O-X, fox. नहीं, अभी आप लिखेंगे नहीं इसको, just अभी हम word bank बना रहे हैं. Then we will use these words in sentences. अब्दुल मोइज, आप मुझे बताओगे आप क्या देख रहे हो पिक्चर में?
Fox.
फॉक्स के अलावा क्या नजर आ रहा है? बहुत सी चीजें हैं इस पिक्चर में. यूशा, आप बताएं मुझे.
Fox, grass, tree, sun,
Bat, yes. Book,
sun,
very good, Yusha. Tree, here is a tree.
sun, grass,
Grass,
bat, star.
anyone else? Anyone is smiling? आप बताओ आपको पिक्चर में नजर आ रहा है.
Fox, spider, tree, bat, sun, ground, spider, grass.
Spider, good. Spider.
Nest.
Nest. Very good.
Spider. Sun.
Spider I have written.
Sun.
बेटे observe the picture carefully because stars है तो stars के साथ sun नहीं हो सकता है. This is not sun.
Moon.
Yes, good. Moon.
Stars.
Stars.
Flower.
Flowers.
Birds.
Good. Birds. And what the birds are doing? Birds are in the nest, but वो
Nest.
कर क्या रहे हैं? Are they sleeping?
Sitting.
Sleeping. So I can write sleeping. आप मुझे objects के अलावा जो काम हो रहा है उसके बारे में बता सकते हो? The birds are sleeping in the nest. Okay, now we are going to make sentences. There is a snake. The snake is also sleeping. You can find out in the picture. There is a snake. This is the word bank. मैंने आपको word bank बना के दिया है जो कि आपने मुझसे complete करवाया. Now we are going to use these words in sentences. You will write 5 sentences और आपके sentences different होने चाहिए. First, you can use this word. This is a fox. This. This is a fox. Or you can write there is a fox. It's up to you. You have to make the first sentence. And those students जो कि different sentence बनाएंगे, that's very good. Rather than कि आप इसको copy करें, आप different और change sentence करें. Okay, next bat. I will use this in the sentence. The bat is flying. The bat is flying. 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 The bat is flying. Now I am going to use 3 words in same sentence. Nest, birds, sleeping. We can use 2 or more than 2 words to make the sentence. The birds are sleeping in the nest. Now I have used three words in a same sentence. The birds are sleeping in the nest. It's up to you. Picture description is an activity जिसमें आप खुद का sentence बनाते हो. This is a fox. The bat is flying. The birds are sleeping in the nest. I have made three sentences by using the word bank. We are going picture description activity today. Our topic is the fox. And we have used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 words in our sentences. And what the fox is doing, the fox is looking at the star or the moon. You can write this sentence as well. The stars are shining. This is another sentence. It's up to you. If you want to write this, you can write the stars shining. मैं इसे spelling लिख देती हूँ as I-N-N-I-N-G. Shining. The stars are shining. This is also a sentence. आपने picture describe करनी है. It's up to you. आप किसी भी object को लेके उसको describe कर सकते हो. As you have told me that you have also seen the flowers, so you can write I can see the flowers. As Ahmed have told me that he has seen spider, इसको भी आप sentence में use कर सकते हो. I can see the spider. यहाँ पे आप flowers की जगह spider भी लिख सकते हैं, तो आपका sentence change हो जाएगा. I have not used the word snake, tree, grass in my sentence, but मैं आपको लिख के नहीं बता रही हूँ, oral बता रही हूँ. You can see, right? There is a snake. There is a tree. The birds are sitting on the tree. These are different and change sentences. Do your work very neatly. Touch the lines. आपकी formation बिल्कुल ठीक होनी चाहिए और बहुत अच्छा और neat काम. Hashim Zahi, be quick, just complete your work. We have made 4 sentences, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And after writing the sentence, you must read them. And you have to learn the spelling. If I want to make a sentence by using the word grass, so what will be my sentence? I can see the grass. I can see the grass. Grass की जगह grass भी हो सकता है, tree भी, spider. It's up to you. A word blend में से कोई भी word ले उसको sentence पे use कर सकते हैं. I'm giving you some time to complete your work. This is your classwork, book page number 30, and your homework will be book page number 31.